voices. Sam. Who's got helium, boys? Noah.
I got it.
I'll show you.
What's your voice sound like, Noah?
What?
Let's talk.
Sound high?
Yeah.
It does?
You like this?
Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Alex, you really own that hat now, don't you?
Fine, good.
So weird. It sounds...
But you gotta talk. Let's hear you speak some words, my friend.
Well, pretty good.
How do you feel?
Amazing.
How was your bar mitzvah?
Wait. Alex, here.
How was your bar mitzvah, Alex?
It's good. It's really good. Yeah.
In my pocket.
Wow.
Do you have any words of, what do you want to say to your cousin Mia, who shared the experience with you?
Good job.
Good job. Anything else? Was it fun doing it with Mia?
Yeah, it was. It was pretty good.
And the party and everything, like doing it together?
Yeah.
It worked out really. I've heard so many people tell me that you and Mia together sounded amazing in the B'nai Mitzvah. So good job, Alex.
My voice is better than that.
Woo! You got helium
Got that
voice.
right?
Whoa! Who are you? Wait, who are you guys? Oh, you're from Los Angeles, aren't
I'm
you?
his cousin. I'm from Los Angeles.
Wait, you're Alex's cousin?
Yeah, that's how it works. And now you're sometime. Perfect.
Dude, I know who you are.
Of course you
Woo! Check out those glasses.
do. Yeah.
You gonna do some helium voice now?
No, Grandma got really mad at me.
Why?
Apparently people...
No, it's not good for you. It's killing your brain cells.
No, she's like serious about it. So everybody can die. You can die at anything now. No. Die of brain damage. I didn't want to get her mad.
She's not here.
No.
Dude, I'm her son.
I've already had like 2 of them.
I grew up with her. Are you kidding me? What are you?
I've already had 3 of them. I don't want to get like pass out.
Oh. I can't say it on camera.
Why are you calling me a cat?
Let's do this. Let's do this. Look at you, tiny little thing. Oh, that was loud. Oh.
We're out to see the Wizard
You guys good? Now, what do you want to say to your cousins? What do you want to say to Alex and
Happy
Mia?
birthday, Mia. You're the bomb diggity.
But it's not her birthday. It's her bat mitzvah.
Happy bat mitzvah, Mia. You're the bomb diggity.
Woo! The bomb diggity. Booyah. Give me a little booyah.
Boo